Who you are?
Yes. Maybe I won't say her name because I don't know if she wants to be dragged into all of this.
yeah. The show business,
Can we get rid of this dude already?
And after that Oscar-worthy performance, let's go to the real topic. I never want to hear this guy again, so I'm building an AI. Whenever he appears on my computer, this AI will mute the volume and save me from listening to him. So I got straight to work. First, I looked into which libraries to use. I found big technologies like OpenAI's Whisper, Google Speech-to-Text, and Amazon Transcript. But for cost, speed, and privacy reasons, I chose HuggingFace's SpeechBrain model. This model is really good at voice biometrics. Plus, it's completely open source and works great. Let's start bullying. First, I'm creating my project named Ryan AI. Now, I'm going to open his videos last time to teach my AI his voice. I want the AI to recognize him instantly if he shows up on my screen again, and I will introduce his voice to our AI model. To do this, I saved short clips from his videos as MP4 files. But since the AI model can't read MP4, I converted them into WAV format. This way, the model can take the audio and process it. Now, we put these different WAV files into our project so the model can analyze them. Let's get Ryan out of my life. Let's open our project and start working. We are going to install these libraries, Torch Audio and SpeechBrain. Now, let's build our model with one single job, recognizing Ryan's voice. To do this, I start writing code. We've just finished writing our code. Now let's run it and see the output. With the bug fixed, let's download our massive speaker verification model from HuggingFace. It's trained on hundreds of thousands of voices and practically knows the anatomy of human vocal cords. Now let's feed Ryan's audio into it. And here is our output. It converted the voice into a 192-dimensional math array, also known as embedding vector. Basically, we just got Ryan's voice fingerprint. To make this fingerprint super precise and recognize him instantly, I didn't settle for just one example. I gave the model 3 different audio files. This makes our model much more robust and highly accurate at catching Ryan's voice. This exact fingerprint is now safely stored right here in the Ryan master PT file. We will use it for our audio detection. If we hear a voice that closely matches this data, we'll say target accurate. The speaker. Now our model is ready and waiting to recognize Ryan. Here's what we need to do. Listen to the computer's audio output, analyze the live audio instantly, decide if it's Ryan or not, and finally mute the sound based on the result. Now let's get this done. I'm creating a file named livehunter.py and starting to write the code. Now let's run the code and see if it can actually catch him talking.
He lives up to the hype. No offense. I thought, that's not, hopefully that's not how I said.
Yeah, absolutely nothing happened.
Nice.
Exactly as we expected, right? Let's fix this. But after fixing that, Ryan and everyone else are getting the exact same safe match scores. It's like everyone is Ryan or Ryan is nobody.
Like snacks, you could imagine. You'd almost have to like move all the chocolate and stuff out of the way just to look at the monitor.
I would probably be, I don't know that any of them totally match my personality. I think I'd make.
The model is not detecting properly. As you can see, we are getting similar safe match scores for both Ryan and someone else. To make the recognition even sharper, I gathered more of his voice and added one massive audio file. And then I realized something. Our AI model was trained to understand only at a 16,000 Hz frequency, but the high quality Ryan Gosling clips I downloaded from internet were at 44,000 Hz. When we forced this high speed audio into the AI without covering it, the AI didn't hear Ryan as a charismatic actor. It heard him as a squirrel on helium.
Do you ever want to go to space?
speed up 3 times, and it memorized that distorted voice. To fix this, I added a resample filter to code. Even if our downloaded audio is 44,000 Hz, it compresses it down to 16,000 Hz in milliseconds before feeding it to the AI, basically forcing it to speak the model's native language. And boom! The score skyrocketed instantly. That was the problem.
To their tent. One time they had hamburgers in Prague, a huge bag, and they were throwing them out to the crew. It was fun.
Oasis and smush it all around, and it's so good. Who are my 90s beauty icons? When I was growing
Now, let's also see how the system works in real time during a conversation.
Honestly, I was told I was presenting alone. So. It's fine. You know, I mean, obviously I've been recast into some kind of Joe Biden, Andy Richter, Robin type role.
No,
it's fine. I'm here for the movie.
No, I'm here to support you. So if you want to,
that's
no,
nice.
really.
There you
just
go. Take the high road. I look petty. Classic Brad. It's just classic Brad.
All right. Well, how would you?
Now our model recognizes Ryan perfectly and doesn't mix him up with anyone else. Now it's time for our final feature, muting the computer's audio. If Ryan is detected, the system mutes the sound and I never hear this guy again. If I had to describe my feelings right now, I can't believe Ryan is leaving my life. I'm so excited.
Yeah, boy.
Please go away from here, Ryan. I made some quick tweaks to the audio. Normally, I would use PyCal library for this, but it refused to give me the Windows core object and just threw an error, so I bypassed it and handled it directly using a special identity code from the Windows hardware manager. I also added a quick sleep mode. This way, if the system is already muted, the AI won't run for nothing and slow down the computer. Now for the hardest test, let's try a video where multiple people are talking in the exact same video as Ryan.
Blake Crouch. No. Start the beat, I'm pretty sure. Gilmore Trout. I'm gonna say, look at that.
This poor lady is getting. Where was Project Hillary filmed?
Shepperton Studios mostly, but you know, like,
Shepperton. Shepperton.
And then various locations around.
Also, Alien was shot there.
Door to the Bridgerton exteriors.
Yes, yeah, it's a shame. I feel like it was a lost opportunity.
Yeah, I feel like we could have dream sequence, just added some Korean drama in there.
There were a lot of safe. What grade?
This question.
Yes. The general answer is.
Alright, now let's test it with separate videos. Say you are on YouTube with autoplay on. What if Ryan pops up in the next video?
those eye patches that people put on, I use them at night because I feel like I benefit more in the morning when my skin under my eyes has been moisturized.
Great feeling because you feel like
So, based on the test, whenever Ryan starts talking, the system mutes the audio, and when someone else talks, it turns it back on. And this isn't just for YouTube. If Ryan shows up anywhere, any app, any website, speakers still get muted. That's because we are not only listening to YouTube, we are listening to system audio itself. Now, let's turn this into a real product. I will build a simple Windows desktop app and make it work it with one-click button setup. Since our system is built on Python, I decided to use the PyCon T5 library to make a desktop app. So I'm creating an app.py file and diving right in.
Stop it. Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Here's our X file. Alright, so now it's a ready to use product. Let's open the .x file and run the desktop app to test it.
I think I definitely.
Carrying some sort of like multi-purpose.
And that's it. Here we are. Ryan was just for fun. But this is basically how speaker verification systems are built. I wanted to show it in a fun, hands-on way. Going forward, we'll use a lot more technologies to tackle different problems together. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out. If there is anything on your mind, please drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. You can also reach me via the email or my Upwork profile for professional work. See you in the next one. Bye.